If y squared plus x is x cubed minus y plus 6, determine dy dx and d2y dx squared in terms of x and y, and evaluate each of these for the point 1, 2. Now, I think it's fairly unlikely that you'll get asked to do a d2y dx squared, certainly not in an exam, but it's worth going through this just to see how it works. So, we're starting off with y squared plus x is x cubed minus y plus 6. And it's a good job that there's no products or quotients here, because otherwise this will become a real mess. Differentiate with respect to x, and we get 2y dy dx plus 1 is equal to 3x squared. Take away dy dx, and the 6 would disappear. So let's get all the dy dx's to one side. So 2y dy dx, plus dy dx, that would be equal to 3x squared take away 1. Take out a dy dx, dy dx 2y plus 1 is equal to 3x squared take 1. So dy dx is equal to 3x squared take away 1 divided by 2y plus 1. So if we want dy dx given 1, 2, x is 1, y is 2, we're going to get 3 take away 1 over 4 plus 1, which is 2/5. Okay, so now we want d2y dx squared, and the best place to go for this is all the way back to here, and let's differentiate that again. So this is a product, and so what we get there is u is 2y, v is dy dx. So du dx is going to be 2 dy dx, and dv dx is going to be d2y dx squared. That's what you get when you differentiate dy dx. And that's the only product. So we're going to start with 2 dy dx squared, because we have to multiply that and that. And then we've got plus 2y d2y dx squared. That is, the 1 is going to disappear. 3x squared is going to become 6x, and then we've got take away d2y dx squared. So let's go to all the d2y dx squareds onto the one side. So I've got 2y d2y dx squared plus d2y dx squared, and that will be equal to 6x take away 2 dy dx all squareds. Note, dy dx all squared is dy dx times dy dx. d2y dx squared is what you get when you differentiate dy dx, so they're not the same thing at all. So we've got d2y dx squared into 2y plus 1 is equal to 6x take away twice that squared. Okay, so d2y dx squared would be equal to 6x over 2y plus 1, take away twice 3x squared take 1 squared over 2y plus 1 cubed. Two of them coming from this bracket and the other one coming when we divided by that. Now, we could try simplifying that. I am not going to worry about that. We now want d2y dx squared at 1, 2. So that is going to give me 6 over 5. Take away twice. So if x is 1, we've got 3 take away 1, 2 squared, so times 4, divided by 2y plus 1 is 5, cube that is 125. So if we multiply top and bottom of that first fraction by 25, 6 times 25 is 150. Take away 8 over 125, and that gives me 142 over 125.